Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use TikTok sounds in CapCut PC. So here I've already opened a CapCut PC and I'm going to just head to the audio first. Okay, so if you want to use the TikTok sounds, just go to TikTok sounds in here. And here you need to link your TikTok account to see your favorite sounds on TikTok in here. So to use the TikTok sound, you need to save the TikTok sound that you want to use on your favorite. And after that, just click on the link account in here. Then just link your CapCut PC with the TikTok account on your phone. So you'll be directed to the browser and you need to log in into your TikTok. Here you can also use QR code to log in. So just click on this button and after that, so this will be the QR code and I need to log in or to scan into this code to log in into my account. So the QR code is scanned and now I've been logged in into my TikTok account on the CapCut PC and I need to authorize the TikTok to link into my CapCut PC. Okay, I've already signed in, so just click on Open CapCut now and I'll go back into the CapCut apps on my computer. Okay, so after you successfully link your TikTok account with your CapCut PC, after that you can just find the sound that you want to use and add it into the timeline in here. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.